Hi, my name is Andre Hilton, owner of Jordan Hilton Interiors, and welcome to Atlanta. The idea behind this project was one word: grand. My client wanted everything to start with a black and white base, accented with gold, bold pops of color, and crystal all throughout. So we decided to paint the exterior brick all white and add a touch of modern edge to the windows by painting them black. Why don't you guys follow me inside so I can show you how I brought the exterior ideas into the interior. We wanted people when they first walked in to say, wow, oh my God, this is amazing. And what better way to add a pop of grandness than to bring in a crystal chandelier. So right off the entry is the formal living room. We have the base being black and white, and we add that major pop of color with a curved gold channel sofa. My client loves antique mirrors, so you'll see a little hint of antique mirror in each space. So as you walk past the foyer, you enter the great room. Ginormous high ceilings, beautiful architectural windows. Take your attention to the fireplace mantel. This is called the Grandioso, and it definitely lives up to its name. The height, the stone, really provides exactly what a room of this size needs. So to add that pop of color again in the space, we added a citron velvet sofa and tall wingback chairs and reupholstered them in a mohair. I wanted to make sure that my client and his guests could feel like they're in an intimate setting and full of luxuriousness, because that's what entertaining is all about. Adjacent to the living room is the kitchen. You really see modern and traditional come together. I achieved this look by adding heavily veined marble countertops, a custom traditional hood, marble shaker style cabinets, and traditional brass hardware. The kitchen features plenty of casual seating, but if you're looking for a more formal experience, let me show you the dining room. Hollywood Regency is the theme of this room. I wrapped the walls in a hand-painted black high-gloss lacquer. And to give my client and his guests the ultimate grand dining experience, I added gold leaf wallpaper to the ceiling. The idea for the seating was a traditional approach. We added 6 oval back red French chairs, and to balance that, we added 2 tall traditional Versailles chairs. So I removed the upholstery from the top of the frame, and not only does it remove the echo, but it's also an amazing design touch. Don't worry, I'm not sleepy. But if I was, I have the most beautiful, luxurious master bedroom to show you. Come follow me. I told you guys, this is luxury. Part of my aesthetic when it comes to master bedrooms is to create the ultimate boutique hotel experience. The rug definitely grounds the space, bringing in lots of movement. The textured black and white twine wallpaper makes the room more intimate. I kept the bed frame regal, sophisticated, but also edgy. I also added pops of color in the pillows and my custom side chair. We call this the Andre chair. I want to leave you guys with something. Design does not have to be boring. You can bring your own personality to it, adding colors, textures, layers, playing with old and new in order to suit your style. So I gotta go to my next project, but I'll definitely see you guys soon.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?